This time, we are doing a simple but crazy project. I bought this Toro PowerJet F700 from a local hardware store. You may ask, why this particular model? It's because it's the most powerful electric leaf blower on the market. I am not affiliated with Toro or being sponsored by them. If you find a better brand for a more powerful blower, you can definitely go with other brands. When you are shopping for the leaf blower, there are two magic numbers you need to look at: CFM and miles per hour or kilometers per hour. I don't want to go into details because there is so much information on the internet. Just Google it. For this particular model, it claims to have up to 725 CFM and 140 miles per hour, which is 225 kilometers per hour. I have to say, it's pretty powerful. That is the strongest leaf blower I have ever had in my life. Now, what if we use 3 of them together at the same time to remove snow? Will it work? We will put this to the test. First, you need a 12-gauge 3-way Y-type adapter. I bought this from a local woodworking store called Lee Valley. I am pretty sure you can find it on Amazon. Make sure you get the 12-gauge one. If you buy 14-gauge, it's too dangerous. Because each blower is rated at 12 amp, of course it doesn't mean they will run at the peak all the time, but 14-gauge is not good enough. For the extension cable, you need some good quality 12-gauge. It's important for the plastic to remain flexible in the cold. This one is good even at -50 Celsius. Amazing. It's exactly the same concept why you need snow tires. This cable is expensive, but you pay for what you get. Next, you need 20 amp receptacle. Regular 15 amp will not work. For many DIY people, you should have one already in your garage. I use this on my Lincoln welder. You can also find 20 amp in the kitchen for newer houses. Let's put them together. I am using cable ties and some scrap wood. You want to make it detachable, because in summertime you may not need 3 of them for your lawn. I think it is pretty much self-explanatory. For people who don't know, I built this deck and a pergola in the backyard by myself. You may want to check it out if you love DIY. I will post the link in the description. Alright, let's power it up. Technology is pretty impressive, I have to say. Look at this. In the past, I had to use my DSLR to do such a shot. For composite and PVC deck, I think this is the best snow removal method. You don't have to worry about your shovel damaging the surface. There was one problem. After running it for a while, eventually it tripped the 20 amp circuit breaker. So this is what I'm going to do. I am connecting a new 12 gauge cable for the blower in the middle. This goes to the regular 15 amp circuit breaker. Now for the 20 amp breaker, we use it to power the two blowers, one on the left and one on the right. Simple enough, that should solve the problem. That's how it looks with two cables together. It's a little bit heavy, but it should be okay. Today we got 4.5 inches of snow. It's perfect to do the test and have some fun. This cable goes into the 15 amp outlet. The other one goes to the 20 amp receptacle in the kitchen. Don't waste time, let's fire it up, baby! I have to admit, this doesn't work on wet snow. And of course, if you got 2 feet of snow, it would be very slow. For sure, it doesn't replace the 2-stage snow blower, especially on the driveway. However, I found that it's pretty effective on the porch or on the deck. It's good for composite or PVC. I think you would agree. To be fair, the effectiveness deserves 3 stars, but the satisfaction level is absolutely 5 stars. I wish you enjoyed this. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. If you love DIY and home improvement, I am pretty sure you may want to check out other videos on my channel. Remember to subscribe. My goal is to inspire more people into DIY. I hope I gave you some inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you next time.